A ball of fire crashes somewhere in place. This event was witnessed by an old man who happened to be in the area. Eager to know, his curiosity led him to investigate. He discovers a jelly-like substance that quickly attaches itself to his hand. He was rushed immediately to the hospital. A minute has passed. Something was not right with the old man who needed attention. They were shocked to see that the lower half of the transit's body was melting and dissolving from exposure to that thing. As someone calls for help, the jelly-like substance drops on top of him. He too was a victim of the carnivorous substance.